Friends, hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to your English class with me. This is my first class for the honors students, especially for honors third year. My course is Introduction to Literary Criticism, code 231113. There are 4 books, but we will start our class with Preface to Shakespeare, written by Dr. Samuel Johnson. Let me inform you about the outcome of our class. In this class, you will know about Shakespeare's works. Number 2, a brief biography of Dr. Samuel Johnson. And number 3, what is criticism and its importance in English literature. Let's start. William Shakespeare. Who doesn't know about him? As a student of literature, in first year you have met with Shakespeare through the sonnet Shall I Compare Thee, or Sonnet 18. In this sonnet, Shakespeare says, So long as man can breathe or eyes can see, so long lives this and this gives life to thee. How beautiful the lines are to make someone immortal, to make a friend immortal after his death. In second year, you have read his comedy As You Like It. In this comedy, Shakespeare says that all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players, they have their exist and their entrance. Really, we all are players, we all are acting in this world, and this world represents the stage. So, in third year, you will also get his tragedy named Macbeth. In Macbeth, Shakespeare compares life with a tale. He says, life is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. So, I think you already understood that Shakespeare really an universal writer, and his writings really represents our common life. Now we will discuss about the life of Dr. Samuel Johnson. You have read Shakespeare's poem, Shakespeare's tragedy, comedy. Now you will know about the characteristics of Shakespeare's writings through the mouth of Dr. Samuel Johnson. He is not only an author, he is a critic, literary critic, he is a poet, he is a moralist also. Here is a picture of Dr. Samuel Johnson. A brief biography of Dr. Samuel Johnson. He was born in Lichfield, Staffordshire, England on 13 September 1709 into a family of booksellers. He suffered from weak eyesight and was partly deaf, had also scars on his face, but won the heart of the people through his talent. In 1728, entered Oxford University but could not finish due to poverty, due to lack of money. In 1735, he married Miss Elizabeth Porter, a widow 20 years older than him. In 1737, he went to London. He was the pioneer of biographical criticism. He had his own magazine named The Rambler. In 1755, he published a dictionary of English language. He was the first writer who wrote Dictionary of English Language. He was awarded an honorary degree by Oxford University. He died on 13 December 1784. Actually, the writing of a dictionary of English language was a turning point for him. Now, we'll discuss about what is literary criticism. Literary criticism is the art or practice of judging and commenting on the qualities and character of literary works. Literary criticism is the comprehension, analysis, interpretation, and evaluation of works of literature. It is essentially an opinion supported by evidence relating to theme, style, setting, or historical or political context. Literary criticism have a positive or a negative bias and may be a study of an individual speech of literature or an author's body of work. Who is the father of English criticism? Dryden. Dryden was considered to be the father of English criticism by Samuel Johnson, precisely because he contributed so much to the field of literary criticism in English literature. Is literary criticism important? The critic specifies purpose may be to specific purpose may be to make value judgments on a work, to explain his or her interpretation of work, or to provide other readers with relevant historical or biographical information. The critic's general purpose in most cases is to enrich the reader's understanding to the literary work. Criticism enriches literature. So we need criticism more and more so that our literature will be enriched. It may be Bengali or English literature. So my girls, in my next class, I will discuss about evaluate Johnson as a critic in Preface to Shakespeare. Before ending my class, I want to inform you about another topic, that is we are going to start our admission for the HSC first year very soon. So please inform your relative, your neighbor, your younger sisters to choose our college for their admission. So my girls, be safe, stay home, stay blessed. Thank you. We'll meet in my next class.